Hi, this is Mark from Ness's Nook. Ness is still a bit under the weather today, so I'll probably be doing the videos at least this weekend for her, which I don't mind doing. But anyway, this recipe comes from Mary at Little House Happy Home, and this is a Parmesan chicken recipe. So we're going to make a few little tweaks here. The chicken's supposed to be brown and stuff. Ness and I decided we're not going to do it that way, but also we don't use the thyme. But the recipe will be down below for you to see. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add some of the ingredients to the pan. And what it calls for is a little bit of garlic. So I'll sprinkle a little bit of that in there. And the parsley. So anyway, we add a little bit of parsley to that. And we're going to go ahead and add the potatoes in. Just calling for some potatoes. It calls for a couple tablespoons of oil. As you know, Ness don't measure anything, so I figure I'll follow her example on that. A little bit of salt. Actually, I believe it says generously, so let's put quite a bit of that in there. A bit of pepper. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of mix this up a little bit. Then we're going to add in our pieces of chicken. And you put that on top of the ingredients. Add a little salt and pepper to that. And then some Parmesan cheese. And what we're going to do is we're going to get this into the slow cooker, and we're going to cook this on high for about 4 hours. Okay, she's all started and we're all set. We'll bring you back. Okay, welcome back. We're all set here. We added a little bit of extra Parmesan cheese to this on the top, the real Parmesan cheese, and made up some green beans. So I'm going to get this plated. I have to get a new spoon. Just knock that one on the floor. Nice and cheesy.
You could probably just use that spatula. Kudos to Mark, everybody. He's been doing such a great job for me. Never knew he had it all in him that he could cook all these meals and me while I'm cooking all this time.
Even sick, she's being funny. Okay. Guess I didn't need that spoon I dropped on the floor. The spatula worked just fine. Anyway, here's the plated up meal. And that's your garlic Parmesan chicken. Okay, this is the plated up meal here. Got garlic Parmesan chicken, green beans, and potatoes. This actually took about just a little over 2.5 hours. It didn't take the full 4 hours on high. And it cooked up beautifully. The temperatures are good. And now we're ready to eat. So thank you for joining us.
Have a good day, everybody.